So there are two ways to prepare filter paper. So one is just to take it, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, and then select just one corner and hold the other three together, put it into your funnel, and then just wet to hold in place. And the water will run through. I'm just going to tip excess out. So that's one way to prepare a piece of filter paper, but it hasn't got a very large surface area. So the other way is to prepare what's known as a fluted filter paper. So to do this, again, take it, fold it in half and quarter it. And now I'm going to reopen it up and I'm going to fold into the opposite direction to the other time. But I'm going to take each quarter and fold it in half again, but this time pointing the opposite direction. I'll just do that for all 4 quarters. To further increase the surface area, you can now keep going round and even halve each of these small triangle segments. But just for this, I'm going to leave it there. So it's sort of more bunched and folded. And that means that instead of having to double up the filter paper, I'm able to slide it in. It takes a while just to arrange it so that it's all pointy out. And then as before, I'll just wet it. Just get it to stick and tip out the excess. So it has a far larger surface area than the other option. And so it's just a better way of folding filter paper to increase the surface area that's in contact with your solution.